Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are looking today, November 25th. It is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. And today I ended up trading my 20 accounts and averaged out about $600 an account. It's very rocky today. There was some decent moves. I didn't even get in those moves. I only got in some of the smaller moves and got it traded out. So where we are is $12,130 gross profit. By the time you take out your trades and your commissions and all that, it's just over $10,000 for a day. So that's making good money. How I did it is I used manual trading today, and let me get this out of the way. I used my manual trading, just clicking in and out of here, and I used my Spy Money trade copier. If you haven't seen the trade copier, I wasn't going to release it to the public, but I decided to go ahead and do it. It's on a lease basis. And you can look on the website, or there's a YouTube video that is coming out that you can watch it. We talk about it. The trade copier does very well. And as you can see, I never even had a glitch in the trading today. I had a certain code put in to where it works better with Rhythmic. A lot of the trade copiers out there are not trading according to what they should, and mine is spot on. I didn't have one error all day. I did really well. So how do we do it? We use the Ninja Suite. The Ninja Suite is a suite of products that you get whenever you lease the Ninja Suite. Everything comes in for all one cost. There is nothing else to buy. You get the trade copier with it as well. You get all of the indicators, the bots, everything. And I teach you how to do it with the training. So looking at this right here, if you want to try to hit these kind of numbers, it's very easy. You can see I only did it with about $600. It's not hard to make $600 in the market. It's harder to make 6,000 or 12,000 or whatever on one account. When you multiply that with the number of accounts that I have, which is 20, it makes it a lot easier. Apex is a very good company for that. As long as you follow their rules, you should be fine and do very well. The way I have mine set up is I have my chart here, and then I have my accounts up here so I can keep track of my P&L, and then I have my positions tab here and my orders. Every time that I exit a trade, I make sure that my orders are cleared out and my positions are cleared out. I also look at my rhythmic data. So whenever I look at my Rhythmic Trader Pro, just to make sure everything is in sync with each other, sometimes NinjaTrader will not show a trade and there's actually a trade involved. It has nothing to do with the Ninja Suite. It has to do with NinjaTrader and Rhythmic Trader Pro. They don't always talk to each other. So you have to keep an eye on that just to make sure everything's fine. But you can see I've picked up a little bit of this right here, but I did not get in the whole thing. I wish I would have. And as you can see, we have different things on here to trade with. We have the balance, the IB, we have the zones, and we have the scalper, the sweet scalper. I have a VWAP up here, and we have our automatic channel drawing tool. This actually finds the channel based on the moves of the bars that you have in here. So there's nothing to do. We keep track of that, keep track of the degrees and so forth. And in the training, I teach you how to use this in order to know if you should be entering a trade or not. And once you do that and you understand it, it's really basic. It takes you about probably an hour or so to kind of learn our strategy and then practice it for a few days, and you should be fine. So, how do you get involved with this? How we do it is you go into spymoneyllc.com. Whenever you go into Spy Money, this will allow you to go ahead and lease the Ninja Suite. You can do it right here, or if you want to learn more about it, you go up here to the Ninja Suite, click on that, and this will open up. There's a little video you can watch. It gives a little bit of brief video about how it works. What we include is all the indicators on the website, which is very few now because I've taken most off. But you get all of the ones that are on there, plus you get the hardcore tools, the indicators that we use. These are the money indicators. They work very, very well. So, but they're only included in the Ninja Suite. You can't purchase these indicators. We also have several bots that you can use. We mainly use the Sweet Scalper. That's mainly what people use in the group. And there's using we have one on there called Coastal. It's not listed here, but the Coastal's price action. We have one guy that he consistently makes anywhere from $1,500 to $8,000 a day using it. And he trades four contracts on it. Then we have live training. I do some live trading, not much. The Discord room is where it all happens. With the Discord room, you're going to get live action with what we're doing. I'm going to do call outs, what I think is going to happen. Right or wrong, I say it. And also, I show you some of my trades, what I'm doing. And I tell you in advance where I think the next trade will be and where your target ought to be. I don't do it all the time, but whenever I'm trading, I do it. If I see it, if I'm around a PC, then I'll go ahead and call out what I see to help out. So the Discord is really the most valuable part because you're learning more there. And then you're also learning how to use all the indicators. So it's like on-the-job training in the Discord. If you are interested in it, just click on the Ninja Suite, click on the lease here, and then you can lease it. We also offer funded accounts, and right now we have 3 that are discounted. This one's 80%, 50%, and 50%. This one, the U Profit, expires tonight, midnight Eastern time. So you have to get on there and do it today. The Apex is 80% off, and that is good through, I think it's Tuesday it expires. And there's a couple coupons down here. Here's a coupon for the Apex. Here's one for the U Profit. And then the Earn to Trade is actually 50%. And you just click there and it will open up and it will show that you are 50%. And then if you click on the U Profit, it will automatically figure in your discount for you. So if you scroll down, there's the 50%. It automatically does it. And then if you go into the Apex, when you go into there, you scroll down, this will have your coupon code here. It's not $167, it's actually $34 a month. The 50,000 account is the one that I would recommend across the board. It actually does really well. It's all you need, 10 contracts, more than enough to get the job done and make a lot of money. If you're looking to contact me to ask more questions, you can do that here. Put in the Eastern Standard Time if you need to talk to me, and we can schedule a time that will work for both of us. And if you just got some questions, just pop them in here, and I can answer them real quick and get you started. A lot of people ask me, how long does it take to get the Ninja Suite up and running the bots? Well, if you're familiar with NinjaTrader, it's going to be a lot quicker. If not, I have a course that you can get for free, and it teaches you how to use the NinjaTrader. And then once you do that, it's just a matter of once you understand how the NinjaTrader works. Usually, most people have the bots and indicators and everything set up in one day, and they usually will trade with the sim for a couple of days, and then after that they switch over to a live account. Everybody's different. Some people take a month, some people take a day, some are a week. So it just depends on the person. But as far as the Ninja Suite does a really good job. We have a lot of products in there. Find one strategy that works for you, stick to it, and just keep trading it and making that money. If you have any questions, again, go up here to the contact us. Let me know. I'm here to help you, and let's get you started this weekend. That way you can be trading next week. And you all have a great day.